In this video, I will quickly show you how to set up Clickup from scratch to organize your tasks and projects. First, go to the Clickup website or mobile app and create a free account using your email. After logging in, Clickup will ask you to create a workspace, which is the main space where your projects will be organized. Now, choose a name for your workspace, such as your company or project name. Next, create a space, which represents a work area like marketing, study, or clients. Inside the space, you can create a task list to organize specific activities. Now click New Task to add your first task. Enter the task name and add a description if you need more details. You can also set a due date, priority level, and assign the task to someone. Another useful feature is adding subtasks to break larger activities into smaller steps. Clickup allows you to view tasks in list, board, or calendar format, making it easier to stay organized. And that's it. Now you know how to set up Clickup easily. Save this video so you can check it later if needed.